you're not making money on TikTok simply because you're not using this website. So start using this website and you start making money on TikTok. Mainly, this works for people in Kenya and Tanzania. So this is what you're going to do to get this website. Like this video, follow my account. You're going to come here on TikTok. When you come on TikTok, look for any video of your choice. Let me say this very video which you are watching right now. Just come and click on this arrow which you see down here. When you click on that arrow, come and click on this copy link, okay? So when you click on copy link, come back to your home screen. Look for any browser of your choice, okay? You can choose Chrome browser or you choose Firefox browser. So for me, I'm going to use Chrome browser. That's what I want. When you come to your Chrome, come here where they search from. You're going to search for a website called My Social Pay. So as you're typing this word My Social Pay, make sure that you don't leave any space in this word, okay? Just do it the way I have done it. Just put My Social Pay, don't leave any space. After that, come and search. After searching, you're going to see various results as you can see, but just come here and click on this first one called mysocialpay.net. Don't click anywhere else. Just click on this first one called mysocialpay.net. After that, of course, the website is going to open up and this is how it looks like. First of all, they have told you every click counts. Turn your clicks into cash. Remember, I told you this website is for making money. That's why I brought it to you. So just click on register now. Those who want to start today, just click on register now. Go and open up your account so that you can start immediately. So this website has various activities which you must do in order to be paid. Let's go through these activities one by one. They are very simple. The first activity is called paid TikTok videos, and here they will tell you you're going to be making money just by watching TikTok videos on this website called My Social Pay. So the more videos you watch, the more money you get paid. Just click on sign up to watch and get started. Of course, the second activity is called paid YouTube videos. Here you're going to be paid just by watching YouTube videos on this website called My Social Pay. So the more videos you watch, the more money you get paid. Just click on register to watch and you get started. Other activities, simply we have this one called paid movies, and here you're going to see that you will be paid just by watching movies on this website called My Social Pay. So the more movies you watch, the more you get paid huge amounts. Just click on sign up to watch. Go and get started right now. So this website has very many activities. I don't have time to go through all of them right now. So just go to Google, search for My Social Pay, come and read through each activity one by one. Choose those ones which you want and go make yourself huge amounts of money. So when you come down here, they will tell you countries where it works. Of course, Kenya and Tanzania, they are well indicated here. So let's all go, people from Kenya and Tanzania, let's all go get My Social Pay. We start making money right now. If you face any challenge while using this website, I told you just come here on this message option, talk to the customer care on WhatsApp, you'll be helped. So let's all go get My Social Pay. We start making money and we change our lives financially. If you want to learn more tricks on how to make money on TikTok, I told you just go to the comment section, comment I'm interested, then I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money on TikTok using your smartphone or even using your laptop. Don't forget, like this video, follow my account for more updates. Thank you very much.